Good morning. It is February the 16th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day. Most of the markets look like they were range bound overnight. Markets that sold yesterday early have rallied in the overnight. Markets that rallied yesterday early throughout the day have sold overnight. So pause day, correction day, hard to say. Start with our usual disclaimer. Hypothetical assimilated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or similar losses to those shown. Okay, looking at the note, this morning we have ECB policy meeting. No change is expected. Resistance starts at 8 to 12. Very aggressive. First sell is 7 to 11. Followed by 15 to 19. If the E-mini sells today, we will rally off the opening. And the question is, how far can we go? A structural sell up here is at 13 and a half, leaning against those lows. On the buy side, the London low was 2.5, so we're going to have support at the buck to 03. So 29 to 03, say 31 to 03 is buy 1. 25.29 is buy 2. Today's news: housing starts up 1.23 million, permits up 1.233 million. Now that's a pretty fine tooth comb, isn't it? Philly Fed 19.3, jobless claims 246, natural gas minus 130 BCF. Looking at the 30-year, got resistance basically 16 to 20, so be number 1. 23.27 sell 1, 31.03 sell 2. A structural sell right here will be basically at 31 to 01. We've got this high volume area right here at 15 to 16 that's holding the market. So if you leaned against the high volume number, you had a limit sell at 15, and right now you're a couple 3 ticks ahead. Support is at 4 to 8 as the market opens. So 29 to 01 buy 1, 17 to 21 buy 2. Okay, yesterday, long liquidation of puts was the feature in the option market. Not that much call buying, but they did take their puts out of the market. Gold was up overnight. And gold's been a better contract. It's traded better than crude oil has for us. Where number 2 sell last night was 39 to 41. We got into that area, so 39 to 41, sell 1. 44, 46, sell 2. Stops above 1250. That's where I think the play is. So 1250 calls work with that idea. On the buy side, 33 to 35, buy 1. Stock market sells today. Gold should trade up some. And then 29 to 31 for buy 2. So we're trying to buy 30s to 35s and selling 40s to 45. Just to keep it simple. Looking at the euro, which came up nicely overnight. Gold, the euro, treasuries were up. They sold yesterday. Crude oil's up too, for that matter. So 106.50. We had a 40 to 50 sell was our number 2 area. So 106.50 sell 1, 75 sell 2. On the buy side, 625 picks up the bottom of value, buy 1. 106 even, buy 2. Trading quarters overnight. Crude oil is up a bunch. The fundamentals are terrible for crude oil. Gasoline demand is off in the United States. They're blaming it on, or saying that teleworking is the only reason. The only reasonable explanation for such. 53.50 is where we are. So 53.50, 53.75 sell 1, 54 even, 54 and a quarter sell 2. On the buy side, 52.75, 53 buy 1. That's where support is. 52 and a quarter, 52.50 buy 2. This market's having a very difficult time selling for whatever the reason. And so even though we know that prices are being locked in at these levels, the shorts don't develop. They don't give you a lot of opportunity. So 52.75, 53 is support right now. 54, 54 and a quarter is resistance. And we're stuck in a range. Okay, the E-mini may have a pause day today. Japan was down. European, UK stock markets were down. The E-mini was off 4 points plus when I looked at it. The trade's still going to be from the long side. It's not over. Trump hasn't made his announcement. But the controlling volume, as you can see, is well below the market. And so we have the breakout from 35, 37. Had the late breakout yesterday from 43. We definitely have a B. Volume is low in this, so let's put 40, 42 buy 1, and 35, 37 buy 2. Sell failure to take out 50, just exactly where we were last night. And 54, 56 for sell 2. Most of the chatter overnight, the financial meme was markets overbought. Some selling is necessary. The issue is how much selling, how far can you ride it, right? They leave out that detail every time. Okay, going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. I will be back with you as soon as possible. Welcome, Thomas. Good to see you and have you in the room with us. And I'll be back as soon as I can.